Hello and welcome back. Today, I want to show off my new keyboard, the Venus by Durgod. Let's check it out. Alright, let's check this thing out. In the box we get a dust cover, a Type-C to Type-A cable, a Type-C to Type-C cable, a user guide, and of course the Durgod Venus mechanical keyboard itself. Now this is a 60% keyboard, so one of the first things you'll notice, it's missing the dedicated arrow keys as well as the number pad. In just a second, we'll talk about how we can get around not having the dedicated arrow keys. This is compatible with Mac and Windows 10, 8, 7, Vista, XP, and of course Mac OS. Now, one of the ways that you can get around not having the dedicated arrow keys is by a built-in function called tap mode, which allows you to access the arrow keys through Shift, FN1, FN2, and Control. Now, if you see, that's exactly where the arrow keys would typically go, on that bottom right side section of the keyboard. So it feels very, very natural. I absolutely love it and I use it all the time. Another way would be to go into the software and set up a dedicated keys in one of their profiles. Now, I'm not going to get into the software in this video, but just know that it's easy and it's a no-brainer. You definitely want to download that. Now, the Durgod is a sturdy aluminum case. It's got double shot keycaps and they are shine through, so you'll get plenty of that RGB love. It's got the US layout, and as I mentioned, it does support the Durgod Hera engine software. You can upgrade your keyboard's firmware on the go or set up complex macros, or you can just rebind keys, as I mentioned, however you'd like. You could also customize the lighting effects, but I find that the built-in effects are just fine. Now, speaking of RGB, some of the built-in effects that we have are the radar, the ripple, the wave, the nebula, the waves, the gradient, breathing, star, laser, snake, and race light mode. And as you can see in the video, I'm showing some of them off right now. Other than that, I just love this keyboard. It's just a plug-and-play small form factor keyboard that just absolutely rocks. So, what do you think about it so far? Pretty cool, huh? Now, we covered some of the basics: pricing, size, features, software options, but what really is an important decision to make when choosing the right keyboard is how does it feel, and most importantly, how does it sound? I went with the Cherry MX Red Silence. These are my go-to switches. I absolutely love them for many reasons, but let's go ahead and do a quick little sound test so you can hear how it sounds when we're typing on this thing. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it. Definitely one of my favorite keyboards so far. The fact that it's compact in size and now I have more room on my desk. The fact that it comes with silent keys, so as I'm typing, I don't have to worry about waking up the family at night. Just overall, it's just a great keyboard. And I've had plenty, from Razer to Corsair to the cheap ones you get with pre-built machines, or even the little skinny, real thin ones that you get with the Macs. All of them are cool in their own right, but this thing serves me well. Anyhow, let me know if there is another keyboard that you want me to review. Did you hate this one? Did you love it? Let me know your thoughts down below, and stay tuned to my next video where I'm going to cover some keycap options for this keyboard and other keyboards, and it's from a company called Matrix. I think you're going to love it. So the next time you see this keyboard, it's going to look totally different. So I'm excited about that. Anyhow, follow me on Twitch, AJCoreTV, and of course hit that subscribe button here down below, and I look forward to the next one. Have a good one.